Hey guys, my friend Emma, this is the system that I'm going to be showing you today. Within just a period of 3 to 4 minutes, I'll be done with the complete part of the system, explain to you how the system moves. Now, without wasting any time here to illustrate for this system, the system has got different functionalities, and I'm still coming up and building up more. For instance, this is our simple login. I'm going to change this background. This is not the background we are going to be using for this system. It has to really portray something called the system has to really portray something called the SpareParts management system. The SpareParts should be having some kind of spanner or things like for the car, things like that, some cut down and things like that. So I'm still building that thing. I'm still coming up with it from Illustrator, and I'm going to be adding it up on this system any time from now. Now, before going into that, or before coming up with that part of the system that may be on the other way of the background, so for what I've done on this system, where maybe I'll need you to actually explain to me where maybe I need to change, or if there's anywhere I need to be changed. Now, without wasting time, our system has a lot of security measures. If you just come and try to log into the system and click there, you cannot definitely log into the system because the system has got what known as it's kind of hidden for you to do that. And if you provide all that stuff, say personal email is required. Two, also, when you happen to go back inside the system here and just try to put something but you want to bypass blah blah blah, you cannot just access the system anymore. And if you also try to refresh here, the system will load you back to the previous part of the system, which logs to the login page. Book like that, self, And the other way around, still also, if someone happened to come in, because I know maybe in most cases systems have got something called dashboard. Someone like a thief can't just steal in my system, because my system has got all the measures needed for you to maintain the security in your system. Just like that, and then takes you back to the login page. So the system is fully functioning and is having all errors handled, and everything is figured within the system. So there's nothing that a user or a person can simply do in our system or try to steal. On the other way around, if the system user happen shown in the database, this is our database. So if I have only one user and my password is encrypted, I think you can see my friends. This is the username. So if I happen to go back on my system around here, and then I try to just give in the right username and try to give the right password and try to log into the system has a good session that logs the user on to the system. And two, if the user is already logged into the system, if you try to refresh part of the system here, they show the session is 0. But if I happen to refresh this part of the session, it has to show me session is 1. It has to bring kind of 1 for the login details for this user. Or should it be SpareParts System? Check that. Where is that? Where is that? Where is that? Where is that? Wow. This is it. I think this is it. So it has to bring this session 1 for this user who was fully logged into the system. Now, on the other way around again, back, if you try to come back on our system here and try to check, we have different functionalities. We have that panel, we have add system users, which handles the system by details. I think you can see to add the system user, where we shall be selecting this, and this date of ours is going to be automated and it's going to be generating up from the system, and will be calculating, saving timestamp. Sorry, saving it in form of as a version. Then this is what I have for this panel, and then on the other way around, I also have the part where I view system users, whereby for this what we have in the system user, we can always print, which I'm still coming up with, and then the system also have where you can print the statistics. Since all of these guys are male, like I've seen, if you just come back on our system, the system have generate that thing automatically, standalone window. Like you guys, you can see, so it's a standalone window that can actually be popped up within our system. Things like that. Then on the other way around, also the system has got different parts like view customers, which is what I'm next right now building upon. Add customers, view customers, inventory, which is also some of the things I'm coming up with. On top of the make payments, and the statistics. So the complete part of the session of the system is done. The complete design is done. What's now left in our system is to come up with, join all the modules, coming up with OK algorithm and doing all the calculations so that our system can definitely handle all the features needed to come up with the complete part of the system. Remember, this system is going to be having up the management concerning the cashier card part of it. Is going to be generating up all those those given reports, and will be positioned to print for us the statement at the end of the day in the form of receipts. The system should be in a position to track what is now maybe finished in the product, or should be in a position to view for us the store and let us know which goods is about to get finished. I give assumption if the spare parts are not there, definitely the system should be in a position to let us know what's not missing or what's not there. So otherwise, for this period of time, I've illustrated for how the system moves, but I've said this background, I'm going to change that. I'm going to make it look into the other way around, and should be portraying the real system. Otherwise, when you also log into our system, try to click there and try to log out of the system takes all the measures and gives us chance to log out from the session, like you just see. And that's it, my friends. So otherwise, for now, this is what I'll say for what I have, and I think by tomorrow I'm just a matter of adding up the portion left for the system to be completed. Otherwise, guys, stay safe, and I wish you a nice time. Maybe if you find anywhere to edit or where you need to change, please, you can always let me know and actually verify to me, and then I do that within this period of time. So my friends, otherwise, have a blessed day and blessed evening. Thank you.